The cordless leaf blower presents a powerful and convenient solution for outdoor maintenance. Powered by a 21V battery, this electric leaf blower comes equipped with 2 batteries and a charger, ensuring extended operational time. With a versatile 2-speed mode, it's designed to tackle various tasks such as town care, patio cleaning, and efficiently blowing leaves and snow. Pros: cordless convenience. The absence of cords provides freedom of movement, making it easy to reach all corners of your outdoor space without limitations. Dual battery setup. With 2 batteries included, users can enjoy extended usage time without interruption, perfect for larger tasks. 2-speed mode. The adjustable speed settings cater to different needs, allowing for precise control and efficient handling of various debris. Multi-purpose use. Ideal for town care, patio cleaning, and handling both leaves and snow, offering versatility for year-round use. Compact and lightweight. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use, and the lightweight construction minimizes user fatigue during extended operation. Cons: decibel level. Some users may find the noise level slightly higher than expected, so ear protection might be advisable during prolonged use. Battery charging time. While 2 batteries are included, the charging time might be a consideration for users with time-sensitive tasks. Rating: the cordless leaf blower earns a stellar 5-star rating. Its cordless design, dual battery setup, adjustable speed modes, and versatile use make it an excellent choice for outdoor maintenance tasks. Summary: the cordless leaf blower is a reliable and efficient outdoor maintenance tool. Its cordless design, dual batteries, and adjustable speed settings provide the user with flexibility and extended operation time. While considerations about noise levels and battery charging time exist, the overall performance, compact design, and versatility make this leaf blower a top-tier choice for those seeking a convenient and powerful solution for keeping their outdoor spaces clean and well-maintained. Check out this Amazon discount link in the description.